Parish, Jackson Parish, Union Parish, Washita Parish,
Yep, it's
Eastern
here.
Lincoln Parish, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Cooley to 10 miles south of Farmville to near Jonesboro, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Multiple trees and power lines have been down across North Louisiana from these storms. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Ruston, Claiborne, West Monroe, Jonesboro, Swartz, Brownsville Buckham, Brownsville by Conville, Farmville, Ridgewood, Sterlington, Duboc, Shugrun, Marion, Chatham, Vienna, Eros, Downsville, Spearsville, and Vixen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following
Until 5
parishes
p.m.?
in Louisiana: Caldwell, Jackson, Lincoln, Washita, and Union.